Let's learn how to bypass YouTube age verification. If you want to know how to bypass YouTube age verification, then follow this step-by-step video till the end. Often, we want to access YouTube without logging in on various browsers and devices, but age restrictions can pose a problem. Here are 2 simple ways to bypass YouTube's age restriction. First, use FreeTube on your computer. Visit the FreeTube website at freetubeapp.io. Here, click on the download option and choose the appropriate download link for your operating system. Then download and install FreeTube on your computer. You can then search for the desired video or paste its URL from your browser. The video will start playing without encountering YouTube's age restriction policy. The second method is using NewPipe on Android. Go to newpipe.net on your Chrome browser using your Android phone. Here, click on the Get NewPipe option to go to the download page. Then choose the correct APK file for your Android version and download it. Install and launch the NewPipe application. Search for the video you want to watch. NewPipe won't ask you to sign in, allowing you to watch age-restricted videos without any issues. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and like the video.